my friends, I hope we're all doing well. Well, I'm really excited today because I've got a brand new air fryer. This one here is a 5.3 litre air fryer, so it can cook almost anything. Nice big one, that's what I love. Right, now for today we need some chicken nibbles. I've got a few here, only cost me $4.49. We need some plain flour, some garlic powder, onion salt, Moroccan seasoning, cayenne pepper, 1 egg, Himalayan pink salt, some pepper. Now the secret ingredient to making beautiful, crunchy, yummy chicken nibbles is to add a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of baking powder. Alright, well, we're going to get our flour concoction ready now. Okay folks, into our bowl we're going to put around about 1, 2, 3, around about 3 big tablespoons of flour, and got some garlic powder here, so I'm just going to add a bit of a shake of garlic powder and my onion powder, a few shakes. Got some beautiful Moroccan seasoning, so I'm going to put a fair bit on, and got some cayenne pepper. I like it just a little bit hot. A little bit of that in. Okay, now I've got some pepper. Grind some pepper into it. Love my pepper. Around about that much. And we'll put some Himalayan pink salt. Good couple of pinches. And we'll give it a good mix up. Now, we're going to put in around about half a teaspoon of baking soda. If you want to have really crunchy, bubbly chicken nibbles, the coating, you need to put a little bit of baking soda in. So I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of baking soda. And baking powder, just a little bit. About 1/4 teaspoon. Put that in. Give it a real good mix around. I might even add some more Moroccan seasoning to it. You can just adjust it to how you like it. Give it a good mix around. Okay, got another bowl here. We're just going to add 1 egg. And give it a good mix up. And now to the egg, I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. And we'll give it a good mix around. There we go. Okay folks, now we're going to get our chicken here. Just dip it in lightly to the egg and milk mixture. Shake off the excess and put it in the flour. Coat it well. Shake off the excess and put it on your rack. In the milk and the egg mixture into the flour. Give it a good coating, push it down, and put it on the rack. Now I'm going to do this for every single one of these. Be back in a minute. Okay, my friends, now all of our chicken wings have been coated in the flour, in the egg wash and the milk wash first, and in the flavoured flour, all those beautiful herbs and spices. And we're going to let it rest for around about half an hour, and then we're going to put it into our air fryer. Okay folks, it's been around about half an hour now. These have been laying here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my air fryer and I'm going to heat it up for around about 2 minutes on 200 degrees for around about 2 minutes, and then we'll put the chicken nibbles in. Okay folks, our air fryer has heated up now, so I'm going to take it out and I'm going to get a spray bottle, and all I've done is put a bit of vegetable oil in the bottom of here, and we're going to give the tray just a little bit of a spray. And on the chicken, beautiful chicken here coated, we're going to give it a little bit of a spray just to coat it with a little bit of oil. Helps in crisping it up. And now we will put all the chicken into the tray. Oh, yum, can't wait. Alright, so we'll put it all in the tray. Okay, I've got it all in the tray now. I'm really glad that today I brought a big 5.3 litre air fryer so it can fit all in. Now I've put the sprayed side down and I'm just going to put a little bit of spray on the top. And we are going to cook these chicken in the air fryer for around about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to set the timer for around about 12 minutes at 200 degrees, and then we'll come back in 12 minutes, 10-12 minutes, and have a look. Put it in, and there we go. I'll be back in around about 10-12 minutes. Okay folks, it's been 12 minutes now, so we'll get them out and have a look at them. Oh, they're looking good. Alright, well we'll turn them over. Oh, yum. They're looking great. So we'll turn them all over. Okay folks, they're all turned over now, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a spray here with canola oil, just to let the love happen. Alright, now we're going to put it back in for around about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and we'll have a look after 10 minutes. Okay my friends, oh, these are all done now, looking beautiful and crunchy. Look at that. But you know what I'm doing? The show is not over yet. I'm going to add a little bit of Nando's peri peri sauce medium, and I'm going to get my trusty silicone brush here, dip it in the Nando's sauce mixture, and I'm just going to brush it onto the top of each one, and I'm going to cook it for about another minute or two. Oh, yum. Look at that. There we go. It's all on there, so I'm just going to cook it now for about another minute and a half, and then we'll turn it over and coat the other side. I can get it in there. Okay, we'll do about another minute and a half. Okay folks, it's been about a minute and a half now, so I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to coat the other side with my Nando's peri peri sauce. Okay, give it just a little wipe over. I got this brush today from Kmart. Only cost me $2. It's great. Don't know where I'd be without it. So just coat it. Yum. It's looking good. And we're going to put it back in the air fryer for about a minute and a half. Oh, it's hard to get in. Hang on. There. Right. Another minute and a half. Okay, my friends, let's take it out. It's been about a minute and a half. Oh, yum. Oh, look at that. It's looking good. Crispy. Let's put it on our oven tray. And I won't eat it straight away. It's like about 200 degrees. So I'll put it all on our tray here. Okay, my friends, well that's all done now. Doesn't that look beautiful? Nice and crispy. I had a little bit left over at the end and I just put a little bit on here of the peri peri, Nando's peri peri sauce, medium. Now I'm going to give it a taste. It looks absolutely beautiful. We'll see if it's crunchy. Seems to sound quite crunchy. Okay, I'll give it the old taste test. Grab one of these. Oh, yum, look at that. Alright, give it a go. Oh wow. All those herbs and spices that I put in are just marrying together to create a beautiful chicken nibble. So tender. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, amazing. Yeah, I did it for around about 25 minutes, 25 minutes. Turn it over halfway. It tastes divine. And if you put that baking soda in and the baking powder, it really does make a little bit of a difference. It makes it more sort of puff up a little bit more crunchy. So there you go. Give it a try, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy it. All right, you take care. Bye.